Imagine a daily practice that could melt away stress, ease muscle tension, and bring a sense of calm and clarity, all in just 10 minutes. Meditation and stretching, two of the simplest practices, offer profound benefits for both mind and body. When combined, they create a powerful tool for stress relief, grounding, and relaxation. Whether you're dealing with a hectic day or just looking to reset, these practices can offer quick and lasting relief. Today, we'll dive into the essentials of a 10-minute meditation and stretching routine perfect for beginners. We'll start with simple, effective stretches to release tension in the body and follow with a guided meditation to calm the mind. You don't need special equipment or experience to get started. Just a few minutes, an open mind, and a comfortable space. Let's get ready to unwind and restore balance. Why meditation and stretching are important for mental health. In our fast-paced lives, stress and tension tend to build up in both body and mind, leading to muscle tightness, fatigue, and a restless mind. Meditation calms mental chatter and brings focus back to the present, helping reduce anxiety and enhancing mental clarity. Stretching, on the other hand, releases muscle tension, improves blood flow, and restores flexibility. Together, they provide a holistic approach to stress relief. This combination of meditation and stretching is not only effective for managing daily stress, but also easy to incorporate into a busy schedule. Let's start with a few gentle stretches to prepare the body. Number 1, neck and shoulder stretch. We often hold tension in our neck and shoulders, especially after long hours at a desk or looking at screens. Start by sitting comfortably with your back straight. Gently tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear toward your shoulder, and hold for 15 to 20 seconds. Take deep breaths, allowing each exhale to release tension in the neck. Then switch to the left side. This stretch loosens up the neck and shoulders, easing stiffness and helping you feel more relaxed and present. After stretching each side, try rolling your shoulders in slow circles. This movement helps release built-up stress in the upper body, making it a great first step to prepare for meditation. Number 2, cat-cow stretch for the spine. Next, we'll move to the cat-cow stretch, which gently warms up the spine and releases tension in the back. Start on all fours, with wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone. Cow pose. Then exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin toward your chest. Cat pose. Repeat for 1 minute, moving slowly with each breath. This stretch not only loosens the spine, but also brings awareness to your breath and helps you settle into a calm rhythm. It's an ideal stretch to relieve any lower back stiffness and prepare for meditation. Number 3, forward fold. A forward fold is an excellent stretch for the hamstrings, lower back, and even the mind. Stand with your feet hip width apart and slowly bend forward from your hips, letting your arms hang toward the floor. If reaching the floor feels uncomfortable, you can rest your hands on your shins or bend your knees slightly. Take a few deep breaths in this position, feeling the release in your back and legs. This stretch calms the nervous system, helping your body enter a relaxed state. By allowing your head to hang, you release tension in the neck and shoulders as well, setting the stage for a clearer, more focused mind. Meditation, simple breath awareness. Now that we've relaxed the body, we're ready to focus on the mind with a short guided meditation. Find a comfortable seated position, either on the floor with your legs crossed or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Sit up tall and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling slowly through the mouth. Allow each breath to become a little slower and steadier, bringing your attention fully to the sensation of your breath. Now shift your focus to breathing in and out through the nose, observing the natural rhythm without changing it. Notice how the air feels as it enters your nostrils, fills your lungs, and flows back out. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to the breath without judgment. This practice is called breath awareness, and it anchors you to the present moment, helping to quiet the mental chatter. Try this focused breathing for 2 to 3 minutes, noticing any sense of calm that begins to settle over you. Number 4, diaphragmatic breathing, belly breathing. For deeper relaxation, we'll practice diaphragmatic breathing, which engages the diaphragm fully and allows for a calming full breath. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise as you breathe in. Exhale gently through your mouth, feeling your abdomen fall. Continue this for a minute, focusing on expanding the belly with each inhale. Diaphragmatic breathing soothes the nervous system, reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm. Practicing this technique regularly can help you stay grounded and relaxed even in stressful moments, making it a valuable tool for daily life. Tips for making meditation and stretching a daily routine. To experience the full benefits of meditation and stretching, try to practice daily. Start by dedicating just 10 minutes each morning or evening. Consistency is key. Even a few minutes a day helps your body and mind adjust to the routine. You can also practice these techniques whenever you feel stressed or tense during the day. Over time, this routine becomes second nature, offering a quick and effective way to de-stress whenever you need it. Setting aside a calming space can also enhance the experience. Find a quiet spot where you won't be interrupted, and if possible, keep this space free of distractions. Adding Adding a blanket, mat, or even soft lighting can create a peaceful environment for your routine, making it something you look forward to each day. Benefits of combining meditation and stretching. The combination of stretching and meditation offers a full-body approach to relaxation. Stretching loosens tense muscles and increases blood flow, preparing the body to sit comfortably and focus. Meditation, in turn, centers the mind, helping reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Together, they create a state of calm and presence, allowing you to carry that relaxation with you into the rest of your day. Studies have shown that both practices reduce cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress, while improving mood and mental focus. This routine isn't just about physical relaxation. It's a way to build resilience, helping you respond to stress with calm and clarity. With regular practice, meditation and stretching can improve flexibility, ease tension, and support long-term mental well-being. In just 10 minutes, a simple routine of stretching and meditation can bring incredible benefits. Whether you're easing tension from a busy day or preparing for a focused morning, this combination is a powerful tool for mental and physical wellness. By practicing these gentle stretches, like the neck stretch, cat-cow, and forward fold, along with breath awareness and diaphragmatic breathing, you're setting yourself up for a day filled with calm, clarity, and resilience. Embrace these moments as a way to reconnect with your body and mind, allowing yourself to let go of stress and recharge. As you make this routine a habit, you'll start to notice greater flexibility, less tension, and a mind that feels refreshed and ready to take on whatever comes next. Let this guide be your pathway to peace, one breath and one stretch at a time.